कौन कौन है इस रूम में जिसने जुबैदा देखी है? आ गए फिल्म मेकिंग करने। जुबैदा नहीं देखी। मैं, दिस इज अ ड्रीम।
पूछो, आपने क्या पूछना है पूछो।
नहीं, मैं तो सब कुछ पूछूंगा। डू यू लिसन टू पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स अभी जो आ रहे हैं आजकल?
और दसो।
फेवरेट पराठा?
गोभी।
ऑब्वियसली। कैसे स्टूडेंट थे आप स्कूल में? कार्टून देखते थे आप बचपन में? डू यू ऑफन बाइट योर नेल्स? व्हाई आर यू गिविंग दिस इंटरव्यू?
हाँ,
आप कितने गुड लुकिंग हो, आपको क्या लगता है?
6.5।
अब चलना। सबसे पहले बर्फ कब देखी आपने? कभी बिग बॉस देखा?
दैट राखी सावंत वाला पहला पूरा सीजन देखा बिकॉज आई वाज इन बेड
विद राखी सावंत। योर फेवरेट स्पीशी अपार्ट फ्रॉम होमो सेपियंस? कौन सा जानवर पसंद है?
वेरी टफ क्वेश्चन यू आर आस्किंग।
They call me Sandesh.
वॉच इट।
Do you know the song you will be singing?
मुजरा बोल देगा करने को। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है।
बॉम्बकेश बख्शी, सूरज का सातवां। Oh shit. चलो आ जाओ। बॉम्बकेश बख्शी, सूरज का सातवां घोड़ा, जुबेदा, राजी, रॉकेट बॉयज, ये सब वो अमेजिंग पीसेस ऑफ आर्ट, अमेजिंग पीसेस ऑफ सिनेमा, टेलीविजन है जो अगर आपने नहीं देखे, इनमें से एक भी नहीं देखा, तो प्लीज मेरी गुजारिश है इस इंटरव्यू को भी देखने से पहले वो देखिए, भरपूर मजे लीजिए और ये जानिए कि आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं वो अपने एक्टिंग के द्वारा कैसे इन ग्रेट पीसेस ऑफ आर्ट को एलिवेट करते हैं। इस इंटरव्यू को शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू बोलिए वुडलैंड भाई साहब का। वुडलैंड भाई साहब कैसे हैं? थैंक यू सो मच। वुडलैंड भाई साहब की बदौलत एक और बढ़िया पर्सनैलिटी को आपके समक्ष उनके व्यक्तित्व को समझने की एक जो हमारी जो कोशिश है वो आप तक लेके आए हैं। तो भाई वेलकम। पहले कीजिए सब्सक्राइब, अगर नहीं किया, अगर कर लिया तो अपने दोस्तों से कराइए, फैमिली से कराइए, बेल आइकन दबाइए, कमेंट करिए, फिर रेडी हो जाइए क्योंकि ये है अनफिल्टर्ड बाय संदेश FT रजत कपूर पावर्ड बाय वुडलैंड।
ओके, शूट।
हाउस योर पंजाबी? योर पंजाबी इज फाइन।
बिल्कुल
ठीक ठाक बोल लेते हो?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल बोल लेना। मैं I used to speak to my grandparents in Punjabi, so I still speak even when my father was alive.
I wish I was that fluent. I would have done the interview in Punjabi.
मैं तो पूरी पंजाबी बोल लेना। हाँ, पंजाबी
Do you listen to the Punjabi songs अभी जो आ रहे हैं आजकल?
नहीं
नहीं, ये क्या बात हुई?
नहीं तो नहीं।
असली पंजाबी नहीं हुए फिर आप यार?
क्यों? I have to listen to Punjabi songs to be Punjabi.
आजकल तो यही क्राइटेरिया है। The last I checked.
मेरा क्राइटेरिया
नहीं।
और दसो।
सब ਵਧੀਆ ਜੀ।
सब बढ़िया। और कुछ पूछना चाहते हो ਤੁਸੀਂ?
ਪੁੱਛਾਂਗਾ
ਕਿ ਵੇਟ ਕਾਦੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ?
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾ awkward pause ਬੜਾ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ।
awkward pause, अच्छा
ਹੈ ਨਾ एडिट ਤੇ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ।
जिन्ने मर्जी awkward pause लेना चाहते हो।
मेरी खत्म होने वाली है यार।
ले लो,
ठीक है,
ले लो awkward pause। Shall we take awkward pause? चलो।
मेरे को नहीं आती है। I can't do more of this. फेवरेट पराठा?
गोभी, फूल गोभी।
ऑब्वियसली गोभी अगर कोई अच्छी बना दे,
फूल गोभी,
क्योंकि गोभी कोई
किसी का
अच्छी
आलू
बना दे।
होता है, किसी का पनीर का होता है, किसी का पता नहीं क्या होता है।
जो असली पराठा जिसने गोभी का खाया है वो उससे ऊपर किसी को नहीं रख सकता।
ओके।
You're like if I have to bullshit.
I know.
What is this? Okay, dude. These are Woodland shoes.
And I'm not looking at your shoes.
No, I want you to look at them because they're my sponsors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to give them credit and all?
No, I will give them credit.
What? Shoes by Woodlands and all?
Well, this video will be powered by Woodland. It'll be in the
Are
thumbnail.
you joking or serious?
Yeah, this is all powered by Woodland. I get money from a company to do this.
तो कपड़े किसके पहने तूने?
कपड़े तो अपने ही
मेरे का वो भी
Can't you see?
jeans powered by shoes powered by shirt
I'm
powered
willing
by
to sell it all. No one's buying it. Why does it say on Google that you're born in 1960 when you're born in 1963?
This Google, Wikipedia, सब wrong information, कुछ verify नहीं करते। अभी Facebook पर कौन सा ग्रुप है वो बाबा? I forget, somebody has posted something, सारी मेरी पिक्चर्स हैं, फिर रजत की डेट ऑफ बर्थ है, उसमें फिर सूरज का सातवां घोड़ा है, फिर कपूर एंड सन्स कॉर्पोरेट।
What are you saying?
I messaged back on that whatever format that your details are incorrect, erroneous, please rectify. But they don't verify. They just don't verify. और अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि रजत को और मेरी डिटेल्स,
हाँ.
कभी फोटो मेरी होती है, डिटेल्स उसकी, कभी फोटो उसकी होती है और डिटेल्स मेरी. तो ये तो अभी 25 साल से चलता आ रहा है.
Are you friends?
वो या
Yeah?
we've not worked together. मैंने
Never?
एक बारी रजत को बोला था यार हम साथ में करते, कह रहे नहीं यार बड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा, बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा फिर. मैंने ऐसे छेड़ा था, तू मुझे कास्ट नहीं करता, तू डायरेक्टर है, मैं एक्टर हूँ, यार बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा, वैसे ही इतना कंफ्यूजन.
Who do you think is a better actor?
एज इन
Rajat or Rajit?
I don't know, but I cannot decide that. That is for other people to say, not for me to
Yeah,
say.
sure. No, I wasn't looking for a serious answer. No.
एक बारी उसका चेक गलती से मेरे ऑफिस आ गया था.
How much was the amount?
Amount was over $1 lakh.
All right.
So obviously I don't know for what it was, but I knew it wasn't mine. Because मैंने वो कंपनी का नाम देखा तो मैंने उसका फ़ोन घुमाया. I said, तूने इस कंपनी के लिए ऐसा ऐसा काम किया है? Says, हाँ. तो I said, पैसे तो मेरे पास हैं. So ऐसे कभी कभी बहुत सी confusion होती है.
All right.
Navneet Nishan did a role in one of his films and I got this big thank you cake.
हाँ.
Now the cake company is in my office building.
ठीक है. Okay.
तो नवनीत ने उन्हें कहा होगा रजत कपूर वो समझते अरे यार ये तो बगल में है, मैं तो रेगुलरली है बिकॉज आई ऑर्डर स्टफ फ्रॉम देम. सो आई गॉट दिस थैंक यू केक. मेरी समझ में नहीं आई किसने भेजा, मैं उसको पूछ ही जाऊँ. फिर पता लगा नवनीत ने. मैंने नवनीत बिकॉज आई नो हर, वी वर्क टुगेदर. I called her, but she wasn't able to first say it was a mistake. She says, नहीं याद आई, मैंने सोचा भेज दूँ and all. मुझे लगा था ये सब झूठ.
She tried to cover it up.
She tried to cover it up. वो embarrass होगी.
Oh man.
But then I realized that actually Rajat was so generous. I think he paid the actors more than what was promised because ज़्यादा बच गया था.
That's wonderful.
And that's such an
That's
incredible
wonderful.
thing. And therefore, because everybody got an extra amount paid, the actors, including Navneet,
Send
to
stuff.
thank him, she wanted to
Oh.
send him a cake और वो मेरे ऑफिस.
इस सब में आपका फायदा हो गया.
I said हाँ सर केक तो फिर सारे ऑफिस स्टाफ ने भी कंज्यूम कर लिया भी. Then I told her later on, then she started laughing. She said, I didn't know what to tell you कि मैंने कैसे गलती से केक भेजा. I said वो तो कंज्यूम हो गया, अब तू रजत को दूसरा केक भेज दे.
Wonderful. Do you own a car?
I own a car.
Do you drive?
I drive.
How's your relationship with that? With driving? Do you like driving?
I like driving, but in the traffic now I hate it.
Okay. In how many cities of the world have you driven a car?
I've driven in South Africa. I was not supposed to drive.
That's
but
not a
I drove.
city.
No, I'm trying to say from
Yeah.
where. Where did I drive in South Africa? Because वो insurance contract था वहाँ पे when we were doing Making of the Mahatma, you're not supposed to drive
अच्छा.
as a lead actor कि कुछ हो जाए तो यार फिल्म
श्याम बेनेगल की फिल्म में भी इतना होता था इंश्योरेंस
नहीं
वगैरह.
वो वहाँ के South African government the co-producers of that there was a whole stipulation to that.
ठीक है.
But मैंने चोरी छुपे Sun City गए थे.
Okay.
So then I drove I think from Sun City back to Johannesburg.
Do you remember what car it was?
No.
Was it like a fancy, like a?
No. It was not a fancy car. I've driven in Hawaii, where you have to hire a car and
You've
drive.
driven in Hawaii?
I've driven
All right.
in Hawaii.
Now we're
I've
talking.
driven in.
Now the interview will be fun.
I've
Who were you
driven-
with? Rajat, I need to know.
I was alone. I went for again Making of the Mahatma की कोई screening थी
Hawaii में.
Hawaii में. So they had invited me. Actually, I think they had invited Sham Babu. He couldn't go.
Okay.
So he gave them my name. So I went. I said, हाँ मैं तो जा रहा हूँ.
ठीक है.
So then I stayed on for 2 days.
In what
went
year was
across.
this? Okay,
See, the film was released. We made it in 94, 96 में आई तो maybe 2000 somewhere there
cool.
or 99.
So you stayed for 2 days and then you were there.
2 extra days where I went across to the not the mainland but to another island. And there I made friends with this couple. So I hired a car.
हाँ.
And I even I couldn't get accommodation, so I stayed with them in their room.
All right.
The three of us for 2 days we went snorkeling.
Wonderful.
Uh,
Have you ever done scuba?
no, I want to. I will.
You love it.
I will.
You love it.
Then I've driven in Tasmania also.
अच्छा।
That was just before COVID. Because we
Tasmania-
had gone to Sydney to perform.
Okay.
तो उसके बाद I went there and then we drove to कोई hill था.
Tasmania must be beautiful. What is the fanciest car you've driven?
I have not driven any fancy car.
Tasmania और हवाई में fancy नहीं थी गाड़ियाँ?
No, they were not fancy.
Okay.
एक्चुअली मुझे घबराहट होती है कि किसी की अगर फैंसी कार लेके मैंने अगर इधर उधर ठोक दी, वो घबराहट होती है. एक्सपेंसिव चीज दिखकर ही मैं कभी कुर्सी भी होती है बोले नहीं बैठ जाइए गंदी हो जाएगी रहने दो.
Come on यार, come on.
No, I have not driven a fancy
You're
car.
being
I'm very happy driving my Krista Innova.
अच्छा,
But
you have
when
an
you're in
Innova
another
Krista. हाँ,
country,
ठीक है.
then,
Innova Krista is best car in the world.
मेरा तो घर है वो.
ठीक है.
तो इतना समय बीतता है ना.
You drive it yourself? Do you have a driver?
I have a driver, but I also drive myself.
Krista is
तो
beautiful.
मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको पता है इस गाड़ी में सब कुछ होगा सिवाय टॉयलेट सीट के, कपड़े, जूते, स्पेयर, खाना पीना, सब गाड़ी में एक्स्ट्रा चीजें हमेशा रहती हैं.
How many years has it been for you, like with this car?
This one is about 7 years now. But even the earlier one वो भी तो इनोवा ही थी.
अच्छा, पर वो क्रिस्टा नहीं होगी.
वो क्रिस्टा नहीं.
क्रिस्टा एक अलग चीज है.
क्रिस्टा अलग चीज है.
Is the
उसमें
Krista
ज्यादा
purple or
स्पेस
white?
है. हाँ,
Is the Krista purple or white?
सिल्वर.
All right. ठीक है, कोई नहीं. लोगों में खामियां होती हैं. मैंने इंडिया से बाहर जाना इसी साल शुरू किया. Before that, I had never gone.
So which was the first place you went to?
I went to do scuba in Thailand. I did scuba. My first international trip. Oh man, that was crazy.
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
Yeah.
And that's a full, like you did a course.
No, I didn't do a course. I did
just went for the day,
I did
bas.
2 fun dives. On one day I did 2 dives. That's it. For the course, you should know how to swim like 200 meters in open seas. I don't know that much.
So first you had to do that.
Yeah.
तो एक दिन पहले आपको वो ट्रेनिंग करते हैं और फिर दूसरे दिन
Fun dive करते हो आप. And you go like 20 meters down. You see sharks. Oh man.
corals and all. हवाई में तो कलरफुल फिश एंड corals was अभी तक वो नज़ारा आंखों के सामने है.
बहुत बेहतरीन है. I think scuba and snorkeling help you with breathing also a lot.
See, swimming and singing are the only 2 activities that automatically correct your breathing pattern. Automatically, without you realizing or making that conscious effort. एक है singing और एक है swimming.
And you do both of them?
Yes.
Well, I can't ask you to swim. What I can ask you to do.
No.
Come on.
No, I'm going to pee.
You
I'm
did
going
it.
to pee.
You did it in Guftagu. You did it. You've done it in interviews.
I know.
I've seen
I know.
it. Good afternoon, sir.
Why are you being formal suddenly?
No.
Coffee piyo
I'm just giving a moment to my editor.
अच्छा.
Now, this can be
Cutting
taken
point
as
मिल गया आपको
this
एक.
can be taken as your entry where I'm greeting you. You know. You never
Yeah,
know.
you
how-
can cut and paste anything what you want. क्या पता क्या जोड़ के डाल
सही
दोगे
बात
बाद
है.
में.
सही बात. What is your relationship with money, Rajat?
What is my relationship?
And how has it evolved?
आया राम गया राम. I think you have to understand, of course, it's important, but it cannot be the most important thing in your life.
ये तो it's a very good generic quotable answer.
Yeah, but that's how
But
it is.
आपका तजुर्बे में मतलब क्या कभी क्या इनसिक्योरिटी, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों का मोटिवेशन काम
course,
करने का इनसिक्योरिटी से शुरू होता है.
There are times, you think of those times, I remember, आप सब स्कूल में है यार, बस में चढ़ गए, पैसे नहीं थे और आप स्कूल बैग से अपना मुंह ढक लेते कि यार वो देखे नहीं कि टिकट के पैसे देने हैं. वो नहीं थे पैसे तो नहीं थे, अभी क्या करें, बट जाना तो था घर वापस.
कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि लगा कि यार अब मैं बहुत पैसे कमाऊंगा?
हाँ, वो बीच में एक बार लगा था.
कब-
then you question myself that for what?
पर ये कब लगा था? उस फेज में थोड़ा लेके जाओ ना, थोड़ा पर्सनल. कम ऑन यार.
Maybe about 20 years ago.
और लाइफ के किस पड़ाव पे थे आप?
Because you see, there was a stage where I was balancing my business. सारा ये बिजनेस भी करना है, एक नाटक करना है, एक फिल्म करनी है साल में, और क्या चाहिए.
और आपका बिजनेस क्या है?
वो नहीं है अभी, वो बंद कर दिया.
क्या
I was
था?
exporting
वो जो
garments.
वो जो आपकी फैमिली चलाती थी बिजनेस.
Yeah, it's something I kind of inherited from my father, and then I diversified into other things on my own within
Sure.
that field.
You tried expanding it.
Yeah, in a different way.
Okay.
I got into children's garments, which I started on my own instead of just ladies' garments and all.
Okay.
But no, there were losses and there were cost issues. You know, running an industrial manufacturing unit in Bombay is the per unit cost वो है वो बढ़ता गया, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कम होती गई.
और आपने वो धंधा सीखा और वो करने की कोशिश की.
हाँ, 20 साल तक किया.
20 साल.
पर उसके बाद
और वो सब एक्टिंग के साथ साथ किया.
हाँ, बट मैं एक्टिंग तो वही था ना कि कम थी तभी. कम मतलब एक आध प्रोजेक्ट ले लिया एंड आई एम हैप्पी. वन गुड प्रोजेक्ट, वन फिल्म, एक हर साल एक नया नाटक किया एंड आई सेड इफ आई कैन कीप दिस बैलेंस गोइंग दैट्स ग्रेट, यू नो. बट वो हमेशा ऐसा होता नहीं. सो आई हैड टू शट डाउन द बिजनेस.
But if I may, this was after you had done films and this was after you've done Zubeda also. जब बिजनेस चला रहे थे,
हाँ,
तब वो क्या मोटिवेशन थी उसको चलाने की?
मोटिवेशन बिकॉज आई वॉज हेल्पिंग माई फादर. धीरे धीरे उनको मतलब क्या कहते हैं, उनकी हेल्प करते करते आई एक्चुअली बिगैन टू लाइक द क्रिएटिव, द डिजाइनिंग एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट.
ओके.
शुरू में तो आई डिडंट लाइक इट एट ऑल, बट एक तरह की मजबूरी भी थी बिकॉज ही नीडेड हेल्प. ही वॉज बाय हिमसेल्फ. कुछ देर के बाद वो भी धीरे धीरे द क्रिएटिव एस्पेक्ट काइंड ऑफ डिक्रीज बिकॉज इट ऑल बिकेम अबाउट कोऑर्डिनेशन. तो देन यू आर जस्ट कोऑर्डिनेटिंग.
आर्ट निकल गया.
उसमें जो क्रिएशन एस्पेक्ट था वो निकल गया था. ऐसे अभी तो सिर्फ ये कोऑर्डिनेशन है. सो थिंग्स जस्ट काइंड ऑफ फेल इनटू प्लेस वेयर आई हैड टू टेक अ कॉल बिकॉज यू नो इट्स समथिंग started by my father. It's sometimes, you know, इतना बड़ा पेड़ खड़ा है and you just said, okay, I want to axe the tree. So it took 3 years for us to take that decision.
Your favorite thing about your father?
I think his zest for life. Because I want to do everything, and he came to a stage where he says, I've done everything what I want to do. Now I have nothing to do.
Was he always full of energy?
Yeah.
How tall was he?
I think about an inch shorter than me.
Okay, which would be like 7 feet.
So no, I'm 5'10" and a half. So he was
Okay.
probably 5'9".
Okay, quite tall.
But yeah,
What is his name?
Keval.
Keval Kapoor. Keval?
Only.
Do you know Keval Arora?
No.
You don't know Keval Arora? No. All right. Then it's fine.
And he used to say, I'm one of a kind. I said, yes, Papa, you are one of a kind. There cannot be one like you.
Oh man. उनसे आपको सबसे ज़्यादा क्या मिला है in terms of personality or a trait? What do you think you've got from him?
I think that same
Zest for life.
some people call it hypertension also.
Okay.
तो कॉलेज में मुझे रोक लेते कॉरिडोर में, हाथ ऐसे करके 3-4 लड़के, इसको रोको, ये रुकता नहीं है, इसको रोको, इसको बिठाओ, इसके हाथ बांध दो, इसके पैर बांध दो. I'm constantly
You that kind.
moving.
Okay.
In that sense, I'm quite a bit of a workaholic. But I think the realization after COVID has been, you realize that you need to slow down.
Okay.
So I am slowing down. There was a time when my mother even used to say, you know, तुम 20 साल के नहीं हो अभी 50 के हो गए हो, तो सोचो ज़रा.
Are you working all the time? Before COVID you work?
मैं कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढ लेता हूँ करने के लिए. मैं
आज की डेट में क्या कर रहे हो?
आज की डेट में मैं सफाई कर रहा हूँ. शूटिंग नहीं है.
दिमाग की या घर की कि किसकी?
सब, दिमाग की भी और घर की भी और ऑफिस की भी.
ठीक है. मेरा एक सवाल ये था कि जब सूरज आई, सूरज का सातवां घोड़ा, you were Shyam Benegal's lead, and so what kind of reaction did you get in the if I can call it the non-commercial scene? क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से उस वक्त distinction clear थी.
You know, I think a lot of people, I'm not sure who was against him casting me.
Okay, who?
Not really against, you know, कि यार नए लड़के को lead role दे रहे हैं यार. तो and I could feel that on the first day on the set in that Chandivali studio, ऐसा छोटा सा ऐसा ही कमरा था, और मुझे लग रहा था कि सारी नज़रें मुझ पर है, एंड यूं I felt that I was not, at that time I was not able to express it.
Sure. But if you look back, do you think it was more of you being conscious or?
It could be both. It was my first time, but I felt in a small room and 50 people standing there, just कि ये नया लड़का क्या करेगा देखें. ऐसा मुझे लगा. And KK Rana was playing my older brother, who I knew from a little before, was standing in the corner. And I could see from his eyes that he was just giving me strength.
And you had shot Bomkesh before that, if I'm not wrong. You had shot it before that, no?
Yes, this was 92. I had shot Bomkesh before.
Yeah.
I had shot Bomkesh. But this was nothing to do with Bomkesh because Shyam Babu had seen a show of mine called Love Letters. और वो उसी शाम को backstage आए and he shook my hand. He says, "Lovely, great. I'll get in touch with you." And you don't think. But actually, after 2 days, he called and he said, "Come and meet me." और मतलब वो कहते कि तुम लकड़ी बन के खड़े हो जाओ तो हम कर देते. इसे पढ़ो and let me know what you think of this character Manik Mulla. मैं रात को गया. It was the lead role. तो पानी पानी हो गया. मैंने कहा यार, he's giving me the lead role to do. That also made me nervous.
If I may take a segment, वो script जो थी वो देवनागरी में लिखी थी या वो रोमन में हिंदी लिखी थी? If you remember. And was it typed or was it handwritten?
I think रोमन थी. नहीं फाइल थी वो.
Okay.
I think रोमन में थी.
रोमन में.
Yeah.
Okay. I would imagine someone like Shyam Benegal would write it in Devanagari. It's a bit disappointing.
No, I think after that actually I got so used to writing in Roman.
Okay.
And not many actors were comfortable with that, you know.
Correct.
That I was making spelling corrections in Roman, which actually you can't do.
I understand what you're saying.
मैं लिख रहा हूँ तो MAIN है. So if somebody would write MEIN, I said ये मैं है, मैं नहीं है. I would change it and they'd say, "Is there something like that?" I said, No. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Roman has no rules.
Do you remember the first scene that you shot?
Yeah. The first scene was जब मुझे तरबूज इतने बड़े चाकू से तरबूज काट के खाना है. मैं लाइन बोल रहा हूँ. That was the first scene we shot with my 3 friends who were sitting there.
When was the last time you saw that scene?
I saw the film about शायद एक कोविड के टाइम या एकदम कोविड के बाद, मतलब आई थिंक 4 साल पहले शायद मैंने फिल्म देखी दोबारा. एंड आई वाज अमेज्ड. आई सेड ये हम फिल्म कैसे कर गए, कैसे बना ली.
बहुत बेहतरीन फिल्म.
एंड आई सेड आई वर्क विद 3 ऑफ द मोस्ट फैंटास्टिक फीमेल परफॉर्मेंसेस in my first film. I called all 3 of them.
After watching it?
After watching it, I called all 3. I said, I think I'm blessed, I'm honored. These 3 are probably the most underrated actresses in the country.
For the uninitiated, if you could name them, please.
Pallavi Joshi, Neena Gupta, Rajeshwari Sachdev. And I worked with all 3 in my first film. I had 3 leading ladies and I'm telling myself, wow, I patted myself and I said, wow, I didn't realize this. And with Rajeshwari, I've been working on stage with Ila Arun show. So there's a regular interaction. With Neena, after Suraj Ka Satwa Ghoda, 25 years after Suraj, we did a film called Threshold. And it was amazing. And there were just 2 characters in the entire film. Kisi platform par hai wo, directed by Pushan Kriplani. We worked on that film because the script is a kind of a device script with the actor, the writer, the actors for 2.5 months. And then we went to a place called Tirthan, which is near Kulu, and we shot it in 9 days. And that's how that
sounds like a wonderful experience.
It was an amazing experience. But I think that's important also, the trust. You know, when you trust each other as actors or maybe as people, then you're able to get the best out of each other.
Sure.
And we had that trust.
For you, what is more important, the work or being nice to people around you?
I think it's a balance of both.
Okay. It can't be one.
Nothing can be isolated, no, because it is a team effort.
ठीक बात है.
So if you are interviewing me and if you don't speak or you don't make an attempt to talk to me, there's nothing that I can do in isolation. So film is communication, no? You are communicating something about a scene or that person or a moment. So for that, there has to be interaction of some sort.
Absolutely.
So the more you don't have to be familiar with your co-actor. ऐसी कोई precondition नहीं है. But अगर आप वो rapport और trust establish करो तो then the possibility of creating some magic is there.
क्या कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि आप उस एक्टर को जानते ही नहीं हो और सेट पे ही बस एज प्रोफेशनल्स मुलाकात हो रही है और मैजिक हो गया? क्या ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ?
हो भी सकता है.
ठीक है. नहीं आपके साथ हुआ है कि नहीं, मैं सिर्फ ये पूछ रहा हूँ.
मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा.
हो सकता तो होगा ही.
I don't know.
In the universe it might be possible.
शायद हुआ भी होगा.
But
then there has to be a complete trust.
Of course.
It's not that it's not happened or it can't happen, but the possibility is less. I'll tell you a very interesting story about Zubeda.
Yes.
When I read the script, मेरा characters जो character था उसमें वो was actually literally non-existent in the script. तो मैंने श्याम बाबू को बोला.
But एक second, but it was written by Khalid, and you are playing Khalid, right?
But in the screenplay, if you read the screenplay, even today, when I read it, I said, "Yaar, I don't know what am I doing in the film. There's really not much to do."
Okay.
I told Shyam Babu that. I remember. He says, "It's from your perspective, so there's hell of a lot that is not written. We are seeing this from your eyes. So a lot of the moments where you're seeing stuff through me is not actually mentioned in the script. I hardly shot for that film. I don't think I must have done more than 5-6 days of work.
Wow.
But there are those moments because it's वो मेरे नजरिए से पिरोई गई है from this character.
आपसे शुरू होती है, आप पे खत्म होती है वो.
So actually, in terms of shooting time or screen time, I'm hardly there, but I'm the link.
Correct.
And that's what he tried to explain to me, which I probably didn't understand at that time.
And I'm telling you, it created an impact. It was probably the first Shyam Benegal film I saw.
Because I think on one of the days in Jaipur, we just did close-ups of mine, just reacting to the various moments that they had filmed or were going to film.
Okay.
But even then, I was not really sure because I would ask so many questions. He says, "No, ये कहाँ जुड़ेगा, ये कहाँ कैसे?" He had it all worked out somewhat in his head.
Of course.
So, and of course, then there's a trust with somebody like him.
क्या खालिद मोहम्मद से आपकी बात हुई थी? Like because you were literally playing him.
Yes, and I knew that. So I tried to incorporate.
Were you wearing similar clothes that he would wear?
Yeah. थोड़ी सी चाल पर मतलब वो, but I had to be very careful कि caricature नहीं होना चाहिए. And very few people, only somebody like Nasir would who caught on. He said, तुमने वो बस हल्का सा किया और वो काफी था without making it obvious.
Yeah.
So somebody, an actor like him or a performer like him would probably notice that बारीकी. किस हद तक कर पाया, I don't know.
How do you rate it?
I enjoyed the working on it. So that's the whole beauty of
जो नजरिया, मतलब वो नजरिया और वो सूरज का सातवां घोड़ा में जिसके नजरिए से स्टोरी बताए, मतलब that's a film that more and more people should watch.
ये जो है ना, I remember मैंने KK भैया would be my bouncing board when I read the novel. धर्मवीर भारती की novel है ये. 100 pages, बहुत पतली सी किताब है. मैंने पढ़ी और मैं फिर मेरा परेशान हो गया. सर KK ये क्यों बना रहे फिल्म? इतनी खूबसूरत नॉवल है यार, कहीं गड़बड़ ना हो जाए. सिंह यार तू चुप कर, अपना काम करना, तू क्यों इसमें पड़ा है? तेरे को मौका मिल रहा है, तू ये सब पहलू लेके बैठ गया है. जस्ट फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. एंड आफ्टर आई सॉ दैट नेहरू सेंटर व्हेन वी हैड द फर्स्ट स्क्रीनिंग, आई एक्चुअली टोल्ड श्याम बाबू दैट hats off. And hats off to Piyush Shah. You know, and you can only make that out when you see that film on the big screen, not on a small monitor. You can't make out what the cinematographer has done with it in that small screen.
No, I saw it on a big TV.
And then you realize the beauty of the cinematographer, that when he is with these different women, he's used different color filters.
Yeah.
So, but you cannot make that out on the idiot box. With the first woman, the tones, there's a kind of a pink filter used.
Sure.
With the other woman, with Pallavi, then you from adolescence you're going into 21 adulthood blue filter, and then with a maturity with Nina's character it's all yellow filter, and I'm just watching and I said, wow, ये किसका ख्याल था, ये क्या सोच थी? And I remember chatting with Piyush much later and I said, what you've done is you've added another layer. I mean, for me, the cinematographer is also an actor in the film. Because the way the angles are, and the same scene is then shown with another perspective through the eyes when he's telling the story and using these three women who were in the neighborhood to tell his stories. Wow, that cinematography of that film. And then Piyush said that when he was teaching in Finland or Scandinavia somewhere, he's been using this film to show them what the camera can do.
He's a guy who should be interviewed.
You should.
Yeah.
Catch him where he is. He's
Absolutely.
disappeared somewhere. I've not heard from him.
And your last frame in the film is also like,
That
When
also
you're
is a
walking away.
depiction of, what is real and what is imagination. And I remember that scene because it started raining and it added to the scene because suddenly पीछे जो मिट्टी थी सारी गीली हो गई. So suddenly the texture of the ground also changed. But this is just those by chance magical moments that happen.
जब आप अपने यंग टाइम के परफॉर्मेंसेस देखते हो, आपको लगता है आप ही हो या आप उसे एक सेपरेट व्यक्ति के तौर पे देखते हो?
See, like when I saw सूरज का साथ मेरा घोड़ा, I couldn't believe it was me.
हैं? हाँ. क्यों, कैसे आप अलग हो?
हाँ, I said ये तो बहुत तरीके कैसे कर गया मैं फिर? I don't know how.
इतनी डिफरेंट एजेस कैसे प्ले कर गए आप? वो जो स्कूल बॉय भी हो, उससे भी थोड़ा यंग हो.
And it's all in the body language. That's what I found most fascinating.
Yeah.
किसी ने एक कमेंट दिया था कि अरे ये 3 एजेस है, एक 16, एक 18, एक 21, तो एक में आप मूंछ डाल सकते थे, एक में टोपी. I said the whole beauty is gone. The idea is that it's the same person 16, 18 and 21.
और almost same कपड़े.
It has to look the same, but attitudinally आपको वो फर्क महसूस करवाना ही मेरा काम है.
वो दिखता है यार. That is a job well
And
done.
that's what I find when I look at it now. I say, ये कैसे कर गया?
You were 30 then.
29. No? Yeah.
Yeah. Arguably, you're the only guy who's played Gandhi, Nehru, Modi. You've played all 3.
There's more.
Yeah, please go on. Please go on.
I'm doing Sardar Patel just now.
Dude, I was told to ask you this,
So we started work on it last year. It's a commissioned thing for Doordarshan.
Okay.
It's already on the air every Sunday.
How does one play Nehru and Patel? I mean, I'm sure you have to go into a deeper understanding of who they were as people.
I think it's also important about the aspect of that personality that you want to hook. Why I'm saying it, I don't know whether I'm making sense. So somebody said, oh, आपने मोदी जी, but मोदी जी का सिर्फ एक पहलू है उरी में. The strategist, the planner, not the orator. He is a brilliant speaker and orator. That impression is what people carry with them. But that's not the aspect that was there in the film, and that's not what I was trying to focus on. Because in the script, you're only dealing with the planning and the strategy. So that is the aspect, and that's what you take. So in Nehru's case, although in a radio play I've done Nehru, but this was really his relationship with Homi Bhabha.
And I would say, just
And that
if I may,
connection.
this is possibly one of the best shows ever made in India.
I would rate it very highly, and I'm not saying that because I was part of it. I am very happy to have been part of it. And it's some inner feeling that I had on the first day of the shoot.
Okay.
And I knew that if this is done well, it's going to set a benchmark.
अगर हम महात्मा से शुरू करें,
जी.
because you covered all of his South African years in the film. The film.
So that was a focus.
So the film is about that.
Yeah.
And so what did you understand of the man? I want your understanding of the person.
I'll tell you the brief given to me by Shyam Babu. You know, the first time, I didn't have that much of time. I remember, ये March का first week I was traveling when he suddenly called. He said, "Hey friend, come on, you're doing Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi." Because I was not meant to be doing it.
ठीक है. Who was supposed to be doing it?
I think a lot of actors meant to be doing it.
नहीं, but
it was. I think Nasir was supposed to be doing it.
It's an obvious choice at that point.
He was last. I was playing a revolutionary called Kachalya. मेरा तो रोल फिक्स था.
ठीक है, तो फिर क्या हुआ?
फिर दोबारा मेकअप टेस्ट हुए. फिर आई नो परेश रावल, अनु कपूर, ये सारे सब इनके सब टेस्ट चल रहे थे.
I keep interrupting and I will keep interrupting.
Please, हाँ बोलो.
Nasir Saab is not a big fan of Shyam Babu now. Is my reading of things. He's never said it in those many words. Is my reading of it.
Ask him now.
Sure, okay. But if I were to ask him 5 years earlier.
I don't know. Maybe there was something in his mind.
Okay.
See, in making of Mahatma, Mr. Benegal gave me the book, My Experiments with Truth.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
He said, रजत मुझे ये चाहिए.
Okay.
तो मुझे पहले किताब पढ़नी थी कि क्या है ये. And he says, in brief, the book is dealing with all his inner turmoils. अंतर्द्वंद, उनका जो मनमुटाव था, जो अंदर कश्मकश चल रहा था, इसे मुझे वो चाहिए. सो दैट बिकेम, मेरे लिए वो मुद्दा बन गया कि मुझे उसको हुक करना है.
ठीक है.
द स्ट्रगल्स दैट ही वेंट थ्रू.
Do you have any strong disagreements with him? Is what I want to ask also. I mean, especially how he dealt with Kasturba and like,
you know, these are questions that I have been tackling now for the last 5 years. Now, nobody's saying right or wrong, but that's what he did. He says what I have to, if I've got to preach something, I have to practice it myself. That is the thought of the mind. I can't, मैं किसी और पर ये लागू करूँ, पहले मैं खुद तो करके देखूँ कि
वो ठीक
है कि नहीं.
आपका क्या feeling है इस पर?
I don't know. There's so much that I've learned from this man and from that book.
No,
Today I may believe in naturopathy or something like that. There's a whole thing. She says, मेरा बेटा मर जाएगा, पता नहीं कितना बुखार है, तप रहा है उसका शरीर, और आप वो मड पैक लगा रहे हैं बुखार उतारने के लिए. डॉक्टर को नहीं बुला सकते. Any doctor, if you say, they will come. But why you're doing this? But the thing is that I do that today. I don't take a tablet if I have 104 fever. I will refuse to take it.
So you will refrain from judging the man, is what you're saying?
Yeah, I don't want to. Why should I judge him? He thought what he did was right at that time for him. And I'm doing the same today. I will not take a crocin or a tablet. मैं दो रजाई ओढ़ के लेट जाऊंगा और बुखार पसीने आके मेरा बुखार निकल जाएगा. Unless there's an emergency where I have a show or something where for my knee was hurt, I had to take some antibiotics. I will not take a tablet. Now, you may say पागल है तो ठीक है.
मैंने नहीं बोला ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
You may, and you may, you're fine.
Yeah.
In your eyes, पागल है. पर मेरे हिसाब से मैं सही हूँ. तो how can I judge somebody like that?
क्या ये सिर्फ इंसानों के लिए सच है या फिर जो कैरेक्टर्स आप प्ले करते हो आप उनको जज करने से रिफ्रेन करते हो?
No, I have to understand the psyche of the person to understand that. I have to make it convincing. No?
Is there anything about Gandhi that you don't understand?
That's a debatable point.
Your point being?
Because now I'm playing Sardar Patel, तो मैं अभी उस नज़रिए से भी सोच रहा हूँ. The whole issue of partition कभी-कभी समझ में नहीं आता ना. But now when I'm looking at it, I am looking at it now from Sardar Patel's point of view. And his point is that if we don't do it now, there can be riots all over the country.
Oh man.
And there'll be more to lose.
Patel's point was कि partition नहीं हुई तो
No, he had to give in. Gandhi
Okay.
did not want partition.
Okay, Gandhi did not want it. Okay.
So from what I'm reading and what we are portraying, whereas Patel says कि even I don't want it. But the way जो हालात है पंजाब वगैरह में अब, if we don't give in, at least what we get, let's keep that and use that to progress. Which was a very tough call because a lot of people were against it and justified being against partition. But he was looking at it ahead. If we are going to keep on losing more lives, then we are risking so many more countrymen. So is that worth it? He put that question. And there is that moment where he is talking to Gandhi, which we've shot, and he says, बापू बहुत सोचा मैंने इसके बारे में. और इस वक्त मैं यही कहूँगा कि पार्टीशन कर लेते हैं.
This show is out.
The show is happening
on
every
Doordarshan.
Sunday on
On
Doordarshan,
Doordarshan.
Sunday morning.
ठीक है. All right.
So even when I read that scene and
Apologies
I said,
for not being a Doordarshan audience right now.
हाँ?
Apologies for not being a Doordarshan
मैं तो
audience.
दूरदर्शन देख ही नहीं सकता, मेरी टीवी पर है ही नहीं वो. मुझे वो
Even I wouldn't know where to watch Doordarshan.
क्या
Tata Sky?
नहीं उसने वो YouTube पे डाल के दूरदर्शन मेरे फोन पे डाला हुआ है शायद इसने.
Fire TV stick होगी ना, कुछ
पता
smart
नहीं क्या
TV
वो
होगा.
मेरे फोन पर है.
Bonkesh has crazy views on YouTube. Have you seen? Every episode is over 2 million. Every episode.
But I didn't realize that there's a huge until some time ago that there's a huge Bomkesh Bakshi fan club on Instagram and all, and they keep posting stuff and all. I don't know. वो कभी कभार मेरा लग जाता है तो मैं एक कमेंटर से मार देता हूँ वगैरह. All the photographs and anything related with Bomkesh, but I never imagined कि anyway आप दूसरे. So
ऐसे ही होता रहेगा. We'll keep jumping.
Yeah,
We'll
so
keep jumping.
what you were saying, yeah. So there was, as I said, now the whole point of view in my head is still Sardar. So there was Nehru, Gandhi, Sardar, Bhutto. 2 बारी मैंने 2 फिल्मों में स्पेशल अपीयरेंस भुट्टो का किया है. वो अलग अलग नजरिया. एक तो अभी जो बांग्लादेश पर श्याम बाबू का ही प्रोजेक्ट है मुजीब,
वो अभी नहीं आई ना, या आ चुकी है?
आ चुकी है. और देन देयर इज अनदर फिल्म.
उसको कहाँ देख सकते हैं?
अनदर आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज अभी तो अगर श्याम बाबू कोई प्रोजेक्ट मेरे बिना करेंगे तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगेगा. सर अभी आप नहीं कर सकते, मैं पेड़ बन के खड़ा रहूँगा, मैं आ जाऊँगा. विच ऑलमोस्ट हैपेंड in one film called Welcome to Sajjanpur, because he called me, he said, Rajat, there's nothing for you in this. I said, what do you mean? You find something. He said, वो एक सीन है, क्लार्क है, वो एक सीन के लिए. I said, मैं आ रहा हूँ. I think after 2 days I took the flight and I went to Ramoji. I said, I'll do the clerk. Now you can't do a film without me. That's how it is. Because this is one person who's trusted me with such diverse characters. There are only 2 people who've done that. There's Shambabu for film and there's Rahul Dagunia on stage. I think somewhere their trust in me was probably more than I trusted myself. उनका भरोसा शायद मुझ पर ज़्यादा था. मुझे डाउट होता है ये मैं करूँ कैसे करूँगा ये, पर वो कैसे करूँगा ये would be my thing to अब तो करना है.
श्याम बेनेगल का बर्थडे कब आता है?
Sham Babu's birthday is December. Is it December 14th?
Okay.
I think so.
I still remember, and I mean, not to get into that point, but I still remember that interview which you, Dibakar and Sushant did just before their film release.
I remember that too.
Yeah.
And I remember it only because of Sushant. I didn't know him as a person. But इतना बड़ा धक्का लगा था वो. And then I kept thinking about that interview. Because Dibakar told me he's very nervous to meet you. I said, क्यों, मैं खा नहीं जाऊँगा उसे, बुलाओ, क्या है? He said, I don't know, उसके कुछ मन में है. I said, okay. तो before the interview, let him come and chat with me ना.
अच्छा, so before the interview you guys met?
Yeah. कि वो मेकअप रूम में कहीं ऊपर था, ये यशराज में हमने शूट किया था.
Got it. अगर बॉम्केश पे ही रहें और स्पेसिफिकली आंसर करें, where I've always wanted, I mean, I think, firstly, you're the first Kapoor I've ever interviewed. Also, you're the first guy who's ever, like, in the world of detectives. And so, in the world of detectives, what is also important is the sidekick. If I may call him the sidekick,
Yeah.
I don't mean to demean the character.
No.
But he's not the main guy, but
True.
you know, he's almost
True.
as important.
True.
उस कैरेक्टर की यूटिलिटी के बारे में, if you can just, you know, every detective has it, and like Ajit is very essential to Bomkesh.
You know, it actually disturbed me in the beginning because KK is my senior. So I told him ये बहुत गलत हुआ है, आपको बोमकेश करना चाहिए, मैं जूनियर हूँ आपका, मैं अजीत करना चाहिए. KK भाई तुम पागल हो, तुम्हें ये मौका मिल रहा है, तुम ये सब सोच के क्यों परेशान हो रहे हो? And I still have that wonderful rapport with him because after that, as I said in Suraj, my first film, he's playing my older brother. And he is like that even today for me. But what we tried to do is to, because we had a tuning already, is to incorporate things together and not that I am standing in and he's standing in isolation. We would involve each other even without knowing where the camera is. And sometimes we would work out all these things and all. मैं ना ऐसे बोलूँगा और मैं पेन मांगूंगा, तो मुझे पेन देना, तुम डायरी निकालना और नोट करना, मैं ऐसे ये सब हम लोग चीज़ें करते थे। और बाद में देखा कि ले तो मॉनिटर पे तो है ही नहीं ये सब, मॉनिटर का वो तो है, वो तो फोकस डेड बॉडी पर है। ऐसे कि क्या सारा वर्कआउट ये सिंग।
नहीं, ये आपका पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस तो अच्छी बात है, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ जस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दीज टेक्स्ट्स लाइक दीज पीसेस ऑफ लिटरेचर, what do you think is the utility that the sidekick brings in? Like, why does every detective have it?
I think it also makes it more human because there's human interaction. And somewhere, let's say a detective misses out on a point because एक अलग पहलू आपको मिलता है, एक अलग नजरिया मिलता है, और वो उस असिस्टेंट या साइडकिक से आता है। कभी कभी आप एक चक्रव्यूह में फंस जाते हो एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू थिंक, एंड देन सडनली यहाँ से वो एक आएगा और उसे, अरे यार ये तो सोचा ही नहीं मैंने, तो इट्स अनदर पर्सपेक्टिव।
ठीक बात है। क्या वो साइडकिक हमेशा एक इंफीरियर बीइंग बन के नहीं रह जाता है, अगर सिर्फ उस कैरेक्टर के बारे में सोचें और उसके नजरिए से सोचें?
बनाते हैं उसे इंफीरियर,
ठीक है,
होता नहीं है। आप अगर शर्लॉक होम्स और वॉटसन देखो, वो बेवकूफ नहीं है वॉटसन,
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
एंड नाइदर डिड वी अलाउ दैट इन ब्योमकेश के अजीत बैनर्जी बेवकूफ नहीं है। बट अभी देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्टेंसेस वेयर यू मेक द साइडकिक एन इडियट।
करेक्ट, नहीं वो बेवकूफ नहीं है, लेकिन वो हीरो भी तो नहीं है। वो
फेयर इनफ, बट फेयर इनफ। तो देन हाउ डू यू कलर दैट रिलेशनशिप? Actually, the greatest example is Sherlock Holmes and Watson.
ठीक बात है।
Watson is very important. So if you just say sidekick, I think you're demeaning Watson.
Exactly why I said I don't mean to demean
He's
him.
not a sidekick.
Yeah. And so
he's a very integral part of the investigation.
And so how would you term that character?
He's an associate.
Okay, associate भी तो फिर number 2 ही होता है ना, रजत
ठीक है,
कमल
number 2 तो है ना,
पर
that is a reality.
You know what I would love to see? I would love to see a
it is
film about
number 2.
Ajit's life. I would love to see a film about Watson's life.
तो लिखो
यार, अच्छा बोला आपने, good.
अगर
I'm supposed to call you out. I'm supposed to call you out. You're not supposed to call me out.
तो you write it. If somebody say, you have made अपने ब्योमकेश 33 stories, आप और बनाइए, आप लिखो, फिर आप बनाओ। उस आदमी ने इतनी ही लिखी थी, 33 लिखी थी, वो हमने बना दी।
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा।
अगर आपको कीड़ा लगा है तो आप परमिशन लिए, राइट्स लिए, और आप 33 और लिखिए। फिर
आपको नहीं देखनी अजीत पे कोई फिल्म या?
नहीं, मैंने तो ऐसा सोचा नहीं कभी।
नहीं, ठीक है।
बट अगेन इट इज कुड बी एन इंटरेस्टिंग।
It could be.
क्यों मैं कह रहा हूँ?
जी।
Because when we were working on Sardar Patel, the actor Rakesh Chaturvedi is playing VP Menon, who was like an assistant to Sardar Patel. Now, I believe there is an entire series, OTT series, where Menon is the protagonist. उसके point of view से है film, which KK Menon is playing.
अच्छा, वो बन रहा है?
That would be, शायद बन गई है या बन रही, I don't know.
Man.
But that is what I would like to see, because that's an interesting perspective, that you're not seeing everything from Sardar Patel's eyes, but you're seeing it from Menon's eyes.
What annoys you about the country right now?
Oh, the traffic. And the fact that we thought that we have eliminated corruption, but we haven't.
No?
But you know, then but look at the positive side. When you go to some other countries and you realize that the level of corruption, whether it is Indonesia or Turkey or whatever, it's worse.
And
so
some
when
countries,
you think about that, then you come back feeling more in love with your country and saying, है यहाँ पर भी है, लेकिन यार वहाँ तो मतलब हद ही पार कर दी है।
Sure, and then if you go to a country which has less corruption than India, do you start hating your country?
No.
By that logic,
because
you will.
Because we still have so many more plus points.
All right.
So somewhere I think down the line, I think we are blessed, because how does a country like ours, and there's no other country in the world that has such diverse
ठीक बात है।
languages, religions. We are like 30 countries in one country. ऐसी कोई country पूरी दुनिया में नहीं है. And the fact that we have still survived as a country is itself a miracle. then we have to salute ourselves, because we are the ones who make up this country. So somewhere, even though, we have become less tolerant of each other, yes, we have. But within that being less tolerant, there's still a great acceptance of each other. It's a great irony.
But you do think we've become less tolerant of each other?
Yeah, of late, the way people react, and I think that is to do with the social media. मतलब कोई कुछ भी बक दे, हाँ, आप सोच रहे नहीं, आप क्या बोल क्या रहे हो यार? Somebody can be affected by that. We just बेलगाम घोड़े की तरह, such you can say what you want without owning the responsibility of what you've said and what repercussions it may have. ये तुम सोचते नहीं है. So the whole fact of live and let live, which we have been reading and it's being projected everywhere, we have forgotten that today. To live and let live. How awful. Then that's regression. And we are not progressed.
It is regression. But maybe in the cycle of things, we will come back stronger and we will have a better humor
I
now.
hope so.
We will have a better sense of humor.
Maybe that we have to hope for. We may go back to community living and the Stone Age also. We may go back to that cycle where people will start living together as a community. As it is, your family structure has broken.
It has?
From your joint family system to unit family system. I think there'll probably come a time where there'll be community living. There may be a time where you don't know कि इतने men, women, children, कौन किसका बाप, कौन किसकी माँ, शायद पता ही नहीं कि कौन है, बस इकट्ठे रह रहे हैं. ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
क्या होना चाहिए?
I don't know.
आपके कोई तो ख्याल होंगे समाज को लेके?
Maybe one should try.
One should try what?
Community living.
Okay. You think the family system works in its...
It's broken down, no?
Okay.
It's there, but people are struggling to hold on to it, no?
Anything about the public conversation that offends you right now?
No, nothing offends me, but I just think we are getting so touchy about every little thing. My feelings are hurt, so you react. My religious feelings are hurt. That's what I'm saying. We get affected. That's what I was telling you before, that we've stopped taking things in our stride, even in terms of, you're even looking at things even in humor, that वो भी आपको affect करती है. How sad. We've become such a sad race. If I tell you something and I don't know, अरे यार सोचना पड़ता है यार, तो कुछ पता नहीं क्या reaction होगा. मुझे कुछ I'm just saying.
I know.
आप तो किसी को हाथ लगाओ तो यार वो समझेगा, पता नहीं क्या कह दिया मैंने, को छेड़ दिया, हाथ लगा दिया. So you suddenly
Too much of it.
Like become on your guard kind of thing, no? So you question that, can I be upfront and blunt and honest or no? Anyway, that can go on.
No, you go on. It is your interview. You can go on. Feel free to.
I can't just go on.
Well, then just, do you know the song you'll be singing?
Arey, you've come back to that?
Oh, I will. I'm an interviewer.
Kyun?
This is my job, yeah. It'll be so lovely.
सोचना पड़ेगा. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए. तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए. तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए.
Thank you. Clap करो सब. चलो. Come on, man. A guy here is singing for you. Better clap. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू, दिस इज लव, नो यू गिव अ फिस्ट बम्प। चलो ये भी कर लेते हैं। रॉक पेपर सीजर खेला कभी?
हाँ?
रॉक पेपर सीजर,
वो क्या है?
क्योंकि मेरे रॉक को भी आपने पेपर कर दिया ना, अभी आपने यही किया, अभी आपने यही किया बेसिकली।
मैंने सोचा नहीं।
पर आपने बहुत सही है, you threw it, you won it.
रखो अपने पास।
Yeah. But thank you for that. You, dude, lovely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very few guests are this like gracious and generous when it comes to yeah. Man, now it's dance time. No.
मैं मुजरा बोल देगा करने को, मत सुनो इनकी बात।
Why do you talk about mujra as it is like not an art form? It is a
It is.
yeah.
And it can be very beautiful, and it has been.
Yeah.
When we look at some of the earlier films and documentaries about it, my God. And they were connoisseurs of music and art and literature and poetry. So it was, over time, I guess the connotation attached to that became very kind of
Yeah.
negative, but actually, it can be quite incredible.
be
Maybe
sexy.
we'll go back to that form.
Yeah, it can be sexy, you know. It can be
It can
dude.
be very attractive and so enriching actually when you see
Yeah.
some of the stuff that maybe not so much that we've seen, but so much that we've heard about.
Why do you act though? Why acting, Mr. Kapoor? Why?
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 I don't know. I just love it.
I'm sure you've thought about it once or twice.
I've thought about it, and when you think rationally, I think up. जब बच्चा 6-7 साल का होता है ना, तो वो कोई चीज़ अच्छी करता है तो आप उसको शाबाशी देते हैं, तो शायद वो समझता है कि मैं कुछ अच्छा कर रहा हूँ।
शाबाशियों की वजह से आप यहाँ पहुँचे हो?
I don't know, but I'm trying to think rationally.
नहीं, पर रैशनली छोड़ो, अगर आप किसी व्यक्ति से प्यार करते हो और मैं पूछूं कि उसमें आपको क्या पसंद है, आप क्यों इतना प्यार करते
So
हो?
it's something organic. I can't give you a rational, tangible reason. I just love the thought of it.
So to a layman like me, जिसने दूर से ही इन आर्ट्स को देखा है, फिल्म और थिएटर का मेजर फर्क क्या है फॉर एन एक्टर लाइक यू?
See, जो ग्राउंडिंग आपको थिएटर देता है, जो नींव, जो बुनियाद एक एक्टर के लिए थिएटर बनाता है, वो फिल्म नहीं बना सकता।
ऐसा क्यों?
Because there's so many reasons and it's a cumulative effect of that. Because theater आपको नंगा करता है, फिल्म में आप ढके रहते हैं। नंगा करना मतलब you start from zero. So it allows you to start from zero every time. And in allowing you to start from zero, it pulls your ego. पैर जमीन पर होते हैं।
Are you saying any big actor who's doing a new production वो नंगा ही होना पड़ेगा?
Ask them. आप देखिए।
I'm asking you. You are a great actor. And
I may be wrong. आप नसीर भाई को पूछिए। And ask them, those who are still connected with theatre, why do you go back to the theatre? आप देखिए क्या जवाब आता है। Because I think you become complacent also as an actor when you are relying on the camera. अरे यार ये अच्छा नहीं यार, बंद करो, अगला टेक ले। Right? But once you are there on that platform and you're interacting with an audience, it is a kind of a meditative, concentrated form of magic. The awareness of sharpening your senses can only happen on the stage.
बट क्या फिल्म के फॉर्म में ये इनहेरेंट है कि आपकी शार्पनेस कम होगी और आप कंप्लेसेंट होगे, या फिर जिस हिसाब से हम फिल्में बनाते हैं वो ऐसा है?
ऐसा भी नहीं है कि फिल्म करने से आपकी, बट नॉट टू दैट एक्सटेंट।
और वो आर्ट फॉर्म में इनहेरेंट है। इट्स नॉट अबाउट हाउ वी आर डूइंग इट, इट्स द आर्ट फॉर्म इन इटसेल्फ।
It's just the way it is, because the coordination of your senses, your mind and your body is happening there and there on that floor.
It makes sense.
So you have to focus more, you have to concentrate more, knowing full well that there's no stopping. I don't know whether I'm making sense.
You are making complete sense. That's the magic.
That's magic. So that possibility of magic is far greater on the stage. And it doesn't happen all the time. You will make mistakes and all. ऐसा थोड़ी कि आप गलतियाँ नहीं करते हो. But how do you deal with it?
पर अभी आपने जो ना रुक पाने वाला जो फीचर बोला थिएटर का, I would imagine that is when you're performing. But beyond and before and after that performance.
That process of rehearsal, that is equally important. It's not just the show.
Yeah.
तो जो आप अपने आप को टटोलते हो through that process of rehearsal, through that layers of trial and error, that is the beauty, because you're allowing your mind and your body to search, to feel, to look, to absorb, to imbibe. So that वो जो एक रबर बैंड है, आप उसको जब खींचते रहते हो अलग अलग दिशाओं में, तो वो ये रियाज इस प्रोसेस में होता है ना. आप किसी हारमोनियम प्लेयर को या कोई गायक को बोलिए वो रियाज करते हैं, तो आप बोलेंगे सारे गा मा पा कर रहा है, फिर से वही सारे गा मा पा, बट उससे आपकी आवाज़ खुलती है, आपका टेक्सचर, you know, also that happens through the process of rehearsal, and that is how you grow as an actor.
कभी प्यार कम नहीं हुआ?
हाँ,
कभी प्यार, कभी एक थकान, कभी ये कि यार, you know, maybe I've given it all.
No, you're still
No?
searching. You're even after doing so many number of shows of the same play, that still that nervous energy about one more show. That is what keeps it alive also. No?
The most fantastic performance you've seen outside India?
I remember seeing a show. Now this may not be the most fantastic performance, but अभी because आपने कहा ये ज़हन में आया.
ठीक है.
I saw these two actors on stage, and one was Hugh Jackman.
Okay.
Towering personality, handsome, good-looking, and all the women in the audience going, "Oh!" And ये दूसरा actor was probably 5'7", 5'8", and I just kept looking at him. There were only these two men on stage in New York में था. I'm saying सारी लाइनें ह्यू जैकमैन के पास है, सब वाह वाह वहाँ पे हो रही है, बट इसने मेरी अटेंशन ली हुई है. ये साला कौन है? डैनियल क्रेग.
All right.
And that time he was
not born. He was not
no,
famous.
he was not born.
All right.
I said, this is a fantastic.
You saw
actor.
Daniel Craig and Hugh Jackman perform. What the fuck?
I'm trying to remember the name of the
Was this-
play. In
was
the
this-
rain.
was this Broadway?
Something to do with the rain. New York में था, and I said, then I read up on him, because तभी हम, and he had more than 20 years of. He was heading, I don't know what, a lot of Shakespeare, and but he's a theatre actor who's done so much of work.
Fascinating how you described him in relation to Hugh Jackman.
Yeah, because everybody was looking at Hugh Jackman, and he had probably all the best lines in that show, whatever. और ये चुपकर वहाँ से खड़ा है, very little to speak, and yet I could not take my eyes off him. And I said, for that to happen, this guy is obviously incredible. He's holding my attention. I'm not even looking at Hugh Jackman.
Do you remember the name of the play?
I'm trying to remember. Something in the rain, or I'm so bad at names. But I can't forget that performance. And a friend of mine, Tyra, I remember, was with me. She was just oogling all over Hugh Jackman. I said, shut up. I'm watching the other performer to Hugh Jackman boli ja rahi hai.
Oh man.
But I have not forgotten.
You
him.
wouldn't remember the theatre, the exact theatre.
No, I don't remember.
All right.
Where.
कौन है अभी इंडिया में थिएटर परफॉर्मर या प्ले जो आम जनता को देखना चाहिए, जिसको जो एक यू नो हु इज डूइंग लाइक, और एनी ट्रूप दैट इज डूइंग कटिंग एज वर्क, हु शुड वी लुक अप?
Look, there are so many people doing that in different ways.
Sure.
So I can only talk about a city like Bombay.
Sure.
You know, Nasir Bhai is doing a lot of the classics.
But he's known, so like,
Yeah, so he's known. So Akash Khurana, AK various productions, they're constantly looking at new stuff and new writing to do. You know, Makrand is writing his own stuff and constantly creating new stuff. You know, Sunil Shanbag was doing that for a while, but I guess he's also, you know, not getting any younger. So there are these, you know, 3-4 groups who are bringing in some sort of QTP is looking for always engaging the new generation. That 18-year-old getting them into the fold of theatre. So it's not that it's some agenda, but they are all in their own way differently contributing to the survival of theatre, which is wonderful.
That's fantastic. अंबानियों की शादी देखी आपने?
नहीं,
आपको इनवाइट नहीं आया?
आया था,
गए नहीं आप? गए हो ना?
नहीं गए,
आप गए नहीं? क्यों?
because I knew I would be uncomfortable.
पर आपको आया इनविटेशन?
उसकी वजह हम वो सजेशन लिस्ट में होगा, because we perform for the Geo Center.
Okay.
So
How is the Geo Center? Nice? Good for the performers?
they've spent a lot on it.
Yeah.
There are certain things that could have been better, but still, it's another. See, a city like ours, any new space is welcome.
और वो एक अच्छा स्पेस है एक एक्टर के एक
It's
परफॉर्मर के
a
लिए?
huge space. There are the exhibition centers that they have. The space for display and stuff is incredible. Unfortunately, the big performing space can only be used by international groups and all, because the small groups in our country or our city can hardly use those facilities.
अच्छा कोई छोटी स्टेज है ही नहीं क्या?
Choti bhi hai, that is little experimental, which caters to, one is for a 200 seater, which is called the studio, and there's another smaller one for 80. But you have to be invited to perform there. So they have a different kind of system.
Okay. जिसके आप बहुत बड़े फैन नहीं लग रहे मुझे उस सिस्टम
I think there could have been so much more, because the space was there and the money was there. तो थोड़ी सी और research होती तो, like, we don't have a 300 and 400 seater in Bombay at all.
That's just NCPA is not
No, that is again 200, and then you have straight 1000, and then
Okay.
you straight have 1500.
बीच के लेवल का कोई नहीं
तो
है.
बीच के लेवल का है ही नहीं.
There is no off Broadway here, is what you say.
ये भी ऑफ ही है. We have the greatest performing space like a Prithvi, or you have like a Rangashankara in Bangalore. Rangashankara has that capacity of 350. But Bombay में वो 300, 400 seater है ही नहीं, which is a kind of middle of the path thing, which the local groups and local youngsters today can use.
वो नई चीज के पनपने के लिए जरूरी है वैसा स्पेस.
वो ज़रूरी है.
वो है ही नहीं हमारे पास.
How does the theatre grow and survive? We need those
यार,
spaces.
मैं अंबानियों पे था. सीरियस डिस्कशन है जो मुझे करनी है. थिएटर के फ्यूचर के बारे में मुझे आपसे बात करनी है, लेकिन पहले अंबानियों पे रहेंगे. आपने शादी की वीडियोस कुछ तो देखी होंगी. गए क्यों नहीं? मुझे पहले ये जानना है.
अंदर से आवाज़ नहीं आई.
किसी को शादी बुलाता तो अंदर की आवाज थोड़ी
But
सुनता
I
है.
don't know them ना personally. मैं उनको नहीं जानता. तो मैं किसको मुंह दिखाऊं जाके वहाँ?
जस्टिन बीबर को देखने
सिर्फ
का.
मतलब मैं
आई नॉट अ बीबर फैन.
प्रेस को मुंह दिखाऊं कि मैं आया था, नहीं, मैं वो नहीं कर सकता.
Is there a political thing there where you are against big corporates
It's
and
nothing to do with the political thing, but if you are sending me an invitation, I have met you, so I know I am going to Samdish's wedding.
सही बात है.
So okay, चलो यार, मुझे चाहे मैं कहूँ कि मैं मुंह दिखाने के लिए उसने खास बुलाया है, मैं जाऊँगा. I don't know them.
आप जानते ही नहीं हो.
तो मैं हेलो भी करूँ तो बोलेंगे साले कौन है ये? हो सकता है वो भी.
Neeta Bhabhi must know an actor like
no,
you.
No, don't assume that. She may not know who
Okay,
I
sure.
am.
Let's not assume it.
We are assuming that.
जी.
Neeta Bhabhi may not know who I am.
Do you know who the Kardashians are?
ये जो शादी पे आए थे वो.
शादी पे तो भाई है. Kardashians are very famous.
Have you famous for doing what? मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रहा.
वो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लोग बताएं. मुझे भी नहीं पता.
I don't know. They seem to have been the main invitees for this. But what do they do? What are they known for? मेरे को तो पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ा है.
Well,
I said maybe I'm ignorant because I don't know what they do.
I think the supermodels.
Or what have they done in their life?
They've launched brands. They're entrepreneurs.
Then I'm ignorant because I don't know what they have done.
They have a reality show in which they document their own lives, which is a crazy show.
Good luck to them.
Have you seen Friends ever?
Yeah, years ago. Not all of it, but देखा हुआ है.
कोई ऐसा सिटकॉम है जो बड़ा पसंद आया?
एक आता था ना वो, क्या है ये जो है जिंदगी.
हाँ, आता था.
तब हम देखते थे ना वो अपना.
कभी बिग बॉस देखा?
हाँ. पहला पूरा सीजन देखा बिकॉज आई वॉज इन बेड विथ माई नी दैट राखी सावंत
ना पूरा सीजन देखा
हाँ, because
है
मैं
रजित कपूर व्हाट हैपेंड dude
because I had no choice but to sit
did you enjoy it
and the,
if you watched the whole thing you did enjoy it
yeah, I did enjoy it, but I then over the years I think I stopped.
but I think the first was good also
The first, I think that was the one with Rakhi.
Rakhi Sawant.
Yeah. So that I remember because I was in bed.
with Rakhi Sawant
I was watching everything
All
that
right.
was there on that idiot box out of necessity or out of no other choice.
all right सीजन 2 नहीं देखा
मुझे याद भी नहीं. सीजन 1 तो याद है, सीजन 2 आई डोंट नो कौन है.
do you often bite your nails yeah is that a habit you can do it you can choose to do it I'm getting a great shot Amrish Puri man मुझे बचपन में लगता था नसीरुद्दीन शाह ओमपुरी पर फिर एक फेज आया जब लाइक अमरीश पुरी मतलब उनसे बेटर मैंने एक्टर शायद ही कोई देखा हो
There's two things I learned from him because he was there in the first film. He had one like a Man Friday.
अच्छा he had Man Friday okay
Yeah.
okay
बट वो उनका ड्राइवर था, वो उनका हेल्पर था, वो उनका अटेंडेंट था, वो उनका सेक्रेटरी था, सब कुछ था.
okay
And he said कि I don't need for one solid person, I don't need 3 people, 4 people around me. Never forgotten that. One other thing that he taught me is कि बेटा आप एक्टर हो, स्टंटमैन नहीं हो.
okay
Because हमें जोश में we used to do ना all these stunts and all कुछ के ये टूट गया वो टूट गया ये जंप कर लिया वो जंप कर लिया. You have to look after your face and your body. That is your job as an actor. You owe it to yourself if you want to continue acting. So stuntman होता है स्टंट करने के लिए, आप एक्टिंग कीजिए.
बट थिएटर में तो कुछ ऐसी एक्सरसाइज और प्रोसेस होते हैं जिसमें आप
या होते हैं,
yourself
but
at
हमने
risk.
जोश में बेवकूफ़ियाँ की है ना.
okay you agree with Amrish Puri saying that
I totally agree.
do you rate him highly as an actor or not
Whom?
Amrish Puri सूरज में तो
Yes.
उनका क्या रोल है यार what a
He
fascinating
was
character
absolutely
dude
brilliant. That's what I'm saying. I'm so fortunate that I worked with such incredible people in my first film.
the fact that he was a Yashraj Dharma regular and a Shyam Benegal regular is something that should be like highlighted more मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि यशराज और जब वो वाले सेट होते होंगे तब भी क्या वो एक ही मैन फ्राइडे के साथ जाते होंगे तब उनका स्पॉट
I believe so. I believe so. Let me tell you, he never gave interviews.
एक दो ही हैं यूट्यूब पे
वो एक
बहुत
दो
कम
आए
है
हुए,
बहुत कम
but this is not
I would
that
have
he said
loved
it, but he
to.
would say why.
I would have loved oh he said why
Why do you want to interview?
why do you give interviews
Huh?
why are you giving this interview
I don't know.
why you are not on social media
No, I'm not.
you have no care in the world
No,
about who I am or
young lady
what this
who
channel
kept
is
messaging
Divya
me.
Datta. This is Divya
No,
Datta.
दिव्या ने तो बोला था why I said मेरी जब अंदर से क्लिक होगा ना मैं करूँगा दिव्या.
हो गया क्लिक
हो गया क्लिक तो हम आ गए.
Yes. My hypothesis is that actors in the West, and especially actors who do theater, who are dedicated to the craft, I'm not talking about stars only, but they're like actors also become stars. वहाँ पे वो भी एक चीज़ है. वहाँ पे actors को गेम की और इंडस्ट्री की इकोनॉमिक समझना और उसमें खेलना और उसमें थ्राइव करना आया है. मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे जो एक्टर्स हैं
उनको सिखाया जाता है.
ओके
बिकॉज वहाँ पे एजेंट्स होते हैं. यू आर रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय एन एजेंट. एवरी एक्टर इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय एन एजेंट.
ओके
देयर आर वेरी स्पेसिफिक कास्टिंग एजेंसी. मतलब देयर इज अ फॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर. सो एन एक्टर गोज थ्रू दैट होल थिंग, सो ही अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट. यहाँ पे तो आधा काम तुक्केबाजी पर होता है ना. सो यू डोंट गेट टू
तो
अंडरस्टैंड.
क्या वो एजेंट्स और वो बिजनेस ऐसा बनेगा तब यहाँ के एक्टर्स को समझ आएगा. बिकॉज जो मैंने बचपन से देखा वो ये था कि नॉन मेन स्ट्रीम वाले बस दे आर जस्ट बीइंग बिटर अबाउट द मनी नॉट कमिंग हियर एंड देम हैविंग टू वर्क अगेंस्ट
Because there is no system, no? There is no system in place, really speaking. ये अभी आपके कास्टिंग एजेंसीज अभी 5 साल से आए हैं ना. पहले तो there was a director or the assistant director would call for actors. who used to be sitting for 3 days waiting on the couch outside, and you just choose and select. There's no person who's really there to fight for an actor's money. Even today, there's exploitation on that. You may think you deserve 20,000. मैं बोलूँगा यार 10,000 में करना है करो, नहीं तो 100 और लगे तुम्हारे पीछे चलो. वो तो आज
अभी भी
होता
होता है.
अभी भी होता है.
It's not more professional than before.
No, you think it's professional
अच्छा,
because
ऐसा
it's packaged like that.
क्या OTT और
In
काम
your
बढ़ने से
corporate field, Samdesh,
Yeah.
salaries have to be paid within 7 days, max 15 days.
Yeah.
Actors are not paid for 90 days, 180 days. What do?
they unionize. They should.
So the technical unions are strong. Of course, we
actor
have
unions are not strong?
Cinta and all. They're not so strong because you're fighting then with the producers guild. And tomorrow you are standing up to a producer. There's every possibility of you not getting work.
ठीक बात है.
So then you'll think twice that should I go against, rub the people. There are people who give it in the press. Somebody who knows who's got a security or somebody who can't take it anymore. Hey, I have not been paid for a year. I've tried all my best. Now what do? Do I go legal? Do I go to Cinta? What do? I have to live. So that exploitation is still there. We still have a system now, though this discussion is out in the open where we are paying stars like 50% of the budget, and then for your supporting cast or
इतने
what
पैसे का
we
करते
call-
क्या ये लोग? 50-75
and we
करोड़
say
लेके.
ये इनको supporting cast को characters actors के लिए, sir we don't have money.
ये 50-75 करोड़ का
I've
करते क्या?
heard this
रजत,
line, so I say thank you. When you have the money, call me. Don't waste my time.
ऐसे
I've
बोल
done
देते हो
that.
आप. ऐसे
I've
बोल
done
देते.
that.
ये 50-75 करोड़ का करते क्या? मुझे ये समझाओ.
उनको पूछो ना, मुझे क्या पूछ रहे हो?
नहीं, आप भी तो इनके साथ कभी कभी तो मिलते ही होगे.
ये थोड़ी हम ऐसी बातें करते हैं. हम तो काम करके हम चले जाते हैं.
क्या OTT और इस सब के आने से काम बढ़ने से कुछ
काम
better
बढ़
नहीं
गया
हो गया?
है.
Better-
I'm so glad that so many actors have regular work, but it doesn't mean that that exploitation is not there.
Hierarchy वही चल
It's
रही है.
the actor who finally suffered. You're still paying your foreign technicians a bomb. You're paying your locations a bomb because you have no choice. But where actors are concerned, you have a choice because there are 150 people down the line and some who will do it free because they're getting an opportunity. So what will you do? Then you just don the producer's hat and say, I'm getting this person for free. Why the fuck should I pay this guy 15,000 a day? So let's take the guy who's free. So
Makes sense.
you'll lose your job.
Unless you have Woodland to sponsor your videos. And
Then, so that's where your social media has come in.
yeah.
So actors who don't have work and who maybe are not going to get work have resorted to all this. I don't know, I'm not technically qualified to the TikTok type things, earning 2-3 lakhs minimum a month. And when I spoke to one of them, he said, but stuff to get a role, no sir. I'm earning 2.5 lakhs a month. I'm like, fuck, what? हमें तो beginning में कितने साल लग गए थे इतना कमाने के लिए. So then I have to just say, all right, hats off, you're surviving. You're able to survive in the city, however you do it. Fine.
Do you consume any of that social media content, reels, shorts? Are you aware of what these are?
Half the time not aware because it's so much of negativity attached everywhere.
कौन सी फिल्म है जो रिग्रेट करते हो?
कौन सी फिल्म
कोई ऐसा काम है जो लगता है कि यार ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, ये गलत कर दिया?
है, बट
कौन सी
आई
है?
डोंट नो अगर अच्छा होगा कहना.
अच्छा है.
जिसका प्रोडक्ट हो वो बेचारे परेशान हो जाएंगे, मायूस हो जाएंगे.
कितनी, एक है कि 5 है?
एक से तो ज्यादा होंगी जरूर है.
ठीक है.
जहाँ देख के आपको लगता है ये क्या कर दिया, ये ऐसे क्यों, इसके साथ क्यों जुड़े या क्या. But of course it's a mistake, but sometimes you realize that even on the first day of shoot, I think I'm in the wrong place.
But you've signed up.
But then it's your job as an actor. You still do the best to the best of your ability and you try and be a part of it because it's a commitment.
Do mainstream films pay you a lot? अच्छा पैसा मिल जाता है?
No, not all the time.
नो
No.
जो कमर्शियल है मतलब
Oh, bullshit.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Bullshit.
तो फिर आप
Some of the-
किए क्यों है फिर वो फिल्म में कभी कभी?
Look, there's so many factors. There's no one factor or criteria in choosing something.
Okay.
Of course, your role is important. It's also, for me today, it's also who I'm working with. That's taken a priority. I have to be able to connect
people.
with the director. That chemistry, that marriage is very important. Okay, there's a trust that allows me to also create beyond what is there in the script and to cater to that director's vision. It could be the stupidest role, but if the director can convince me that maybe I can do something with it or add something to it, I may just do it. So that rapport is important.
फिल्में बताओ ना कौन सी?
मतलब
एक दो नाम ले दो ना जो
नहीं, I didn't get your question.
फिल्म में जो रिग्रेट थोड़ा काम गलत हो गया.
गलत हो गया in the sense where the vision kind of this film called I think Damn 999.
Yeah.
And I'm like I couldn't figure it out, you know.
You
I just couldn't figure it out.
No.
Even after doing it.
I haven't seen it.
Don't. I don't know what was. Anyway, no, it's
नहीं ठीक है.
not.
Yeah. The dam has burst.
Somebody, it would be just damaging, you know.
Pun intended.
Yes.
Oh man. One international director you want to work with? Film.
Ang Lee.
Okay.
After I saw his Ice Storm, Brokeback Mountain, 3-4 films, and each one so different from. You wonder what a man, what the fact that he would have just conceived all this.
Your favorite species apart from Homo sapiens?
Very tough question you're asking me.
They call me Sandesh.
I don't know.
फिर भी कौन सा जानवर पसंद है? सिंपल सी बात.
Tiger.
Why?
I don't know. There's something fascinating and majestic about it.
Okay. What are you reading these days?
The eyes of the tiger are
Okay.
mesmerizing.
Okay. What are you reading these days?
I've just started reading Michelle Obama's autobiography.
What's it called?
I think it's called Michelle only, no?
Acha, okay. Do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper. I must.
Yeah? What
अगर
newspaper do you read?
सुबह, what do I read?
What newspaper do you read?
I have the Times and the Hindustan Times both daily.
अच्छा.
अगर सुबह नहीं है समय तो in the night. before-
Physical या फिर online?
No,
Physical.
physical.
You need the physical thing.
I need a physical paper with me.
Finally, I met an actor who reads the
वो
newspaper.
मेरे गाड़ी में मेरे साथ जाता है. अगर सुबह टाइम नहीं मिले तो in the car or back at home in the night, it is always with me.
What section do you read first?
First the headlines.
Okay, apart from the front
No,
page.
then
where
apart
do you
from
go?
the front page, then I go in to see which is of interest to me, which I want to read.
But usually, which section do you go to? Do you go to the city or the sport or the business?
The city.
Where are you going?
The city.
You're going
for
to the
me,
city
yeah,
first.
yeah.
Okay.
I go to the city, like
Okay.
water problems you're having in Bombay. I like to read about the rain.
ठीक है.
Lakes भरी है या नहीं.
You like to be informed about your city. What after that? National politics or sport?
Oh, then national politics.
All right. All right. Do you not go to the sports section?
Sometimes I don't. I just see the headlines.
Do you watch any sport?
Tennis.
All right. Venus या Serena?
Serena. सोचना पड़ा पर.
More titles, yes.
Spunk more.
Yeah. पेस या भूपति?
हाँ जी.
पेस या भूपति?
You got me there.
दोनों मत बोलना प्लीज. एक सबका एक चॉइस होती है. दोनों साथ में खेलते थे, अच्छा लगता था, ठीक है. पर फिर भी कौन ज्यादा?
Okay, pairs then.
पेस. ठीक है, ठीक. क्यों भूपति नहीं पसंद आया?
नहीं ऐसे नहीं पसंद. You said choose one. I had to just choose
Why
one.
though?
I don't know.
He's
Usually
playing-
because you said choose one.
अरे खेल के उस मापदंड
There's
बताओ ना.
I can see a little more fire in his eyes.
Leander,
maybe,
yes.
maybe for that reason.
ठीक है. Never played
But
cricket?
otherwise they are both good players, and
Of course.
and they've they've kind of represented our country when nobody knew about tennis. So I think you can't take that credit away from either of them. Of course, before that, Amrit Raj brothers were the ones because of whom we knew what tennis is in our country. You know? तो वो भी एक चीज़ है.
मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ पर वो ऑफेंसिव हो सकता है, पर मैं ऑफेंसिवली पूछ नहीं रहा हूँ.
होगा तो होने दो. पूछो.
अब ऐसे आईब्रो ऊपर करके सुनोगे तो आई एम स्कैर्ड नाउ.
पूछो.
डू यू मिस बीइंग यंग? डज वन मिस बीइंग यंग? And what is inherent in this question is I am saying you're not young anymore, and I don't mean that. Maybe you are young.
No, I understand that.
Yeah.
And maybe I have been thinking about the same thing in the last 6 months.
Okay.
Because, you know, I could be on my feet for 20 hours and I would not get tired. But I think somewhere in the last 6 months, I was feeling that now after 12 hours, I'm getting tired. So that point may work in what you're saying. I don't know, it's whether about miss being young, but I do realize that, shit, I can't handle this for 18 hours now on my feet.
पर वो अब हो रहा है.
हाँ.
Man, you have some stamina.
No, I have a lot of stamina.
You're what,
probably more stamina than some of the 25-year-olds around.
Of course.
They don't have stamina at all. I tell them.
Okay.
मेरे पास बिल्कुल स्टैमिना नहीं, उससे ज़्यादा मेरे पास स्टैमिना है.
You're 61.
I am 61.
Man, and you work 12-18 घंटे आपका काम चलता है.
कुछ ना कुछ तो चलता है. I am at it. As I said, नहीं तो मैं ढूंढ लेता हूँ करने के लिए कुछ. I can walk endlessly, but now I feel that वो अभी ख्याल आने लगा है, पहले कभी नहीं आता था कि but maybe I won't be able to like climb the hill and all then.
And you like climbing the hill.
I like.
Yeah. You like the fact that you can do it.
I like the fact that I still can do it.
Yeah.
And I did. But now 6 months ago, as I said, shit, my knees are kind of hurting. So that realization is there. But I think, you know, I don't know. I always look at the silver lining. There's a lot that COVID taught me definitely. You know, that your needs are actually इतनी, हम उसको इतना बना के रखते हैं, आपको इतना ही चाहिए.
ठीक बात है.
वो रियलाइजेशन एक जैसे कि मुक्के के साथ आपको मिली है, कोविड ने दिलाई. टू फील द रेन ऑन योर फेस एंड द सैंड बीनीथ योर टोज, that is richness.
That was well said.
That's why I'm saying it.
Yeah.
ऐसा तो आया राम गया राम है.
पर
क्या पता
उतना तो होना चाहिए ना कि इनोवा क्रिस्टा में पेट्रोल भरा सको या डीजल जो भी, उतना तो होना चाहिए.
और अगर है तो
फिर खुश रहो.
So then be happy, then gratitude.
कैसे स्टूडेंट थे आप स्कूल में? Were you the monitor? Were you the bully?
I was a monitor most of the time.
Topper?
Not necessarily the topper, but monitor definitely.
अच्छा, teacher's favorite.
Sometimes.
You're that kind.
Yeah.
Backbenchers को ऐसे everything reported to the
Backbencher
teacher.
नहीं था मैं.
नहीं, backbenchers की रिपोर्ट टीचर्स को दे रहे हो कि वो लोग शोर मचा रहे थे और ये सब.
नहीं, मैं तो खुद बोल देता था उनसे.
अच्छा.
कि watch it.
Alright. कार्टून देखते थे आप बचपन में?
हाँ.
कौन सा फेवरेट कार्टून?
Fireball XL5.
ये क्या है?
हाँ, ये आता था.
किस जमाने की बात है?
दूरदर्शन पे आता था वो.
Fireball XL5.
Animated, let's say, animated series of Fireball XL5.
आपके टाइम पे एनिमेशन शुरू हो गई थी?
हाँ.
ठीक है.
Fireball, उसकी जो कैची ट्यून होती थी ना, we used to wait and sit and watch. Black and white में था तभी वो.
उसकी ट्यून, do you remember the tune? Like
Fireball, something है. Na 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 na. I wanna be a fireball. Taran taran. ऐसे बैठ जाते थे हम.
अच्छा, दूरदर्शन पे कार्टून भी आते थे?
Yeah, it was.
मेरे मम्मी पापा ने नहीं देखे. नहीं, उनका तो चित्रहार ही चलता रहा.
चित्रहार तो देखते थे. चित्रहार used to be every Thursday. I remember 9 o'clock. और कभी कभी 6 गाने के बजाय ना, अगर गाने लंबे होते तो 5 देते. अरे यार, एक गाना कम दिया आज ना. Used to be like that. Chitrahar was regular.
Do you watch reels?
I remember the Sunday films. The first film to be shown on Doordarshan, I think, was Ram Rajya. टीवी नहीं था तभी. वो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जो फैमिली थी उनके यहाँ टीवी आया था. उनका पूरा लिविंग रूम भर गया था. सारे वॉचमैन वगैरह सब आ गए थे. हम 30 people watching Ram Rajya. That was the first film, I think. If I get it right.
आपके घर में तब टीवी नहीं था. उस टाइम का बॉम्बे कैसा था रजत? When you were growing up, what kind of a Bombay was that?
There was less traffic, Samdesh.
यार ट्रैफिक तो चलो समझ आ गया, आप
No, but
irritated हो.
that was the most important thing because, see, everything was dependent on that. You could go anywhere and you're there in half an hour or something.
Did you guys have a car at some
I
point?
had a car, yeah, much later. I used to then, when you have factory, you go straight in the morning and you could still come. I think the whole turnaround has happened because of traffic.
It must be exhausting to live in this city. Or in a city like this, any city like this.
Yeah, I guess. But it's becoming the same elsewhere.
But should it be
Isn't
normalized?
Bangalore worse than Bombay?
Of course it is. But should living like this be normalized or should we like actually question this?
Of course we have to question it.
क्या आप एक ऐसी चीज बता सकते हो जो एक खास एक रिश्ते ने आपको सिखाई हो? If you may. And if it's too personal, you can tell me to take 2 steps back.
I'll try and put it into words.
Yeah.
Is that I think जो सिखाया है is that nothing is permanent. And that's the greatest thing I've learned from my relationships. And not to take any relationship for granted, however close it is. That's what I've learned. And I hope I'm right for my sake.
I feel like there's more to probe there.
As in?
Because most people I interview, when I ask about monogamy or like I was interviewing Arshad Varsi last Saturday, and he said, dude, this conversation about being polyamorous is fashionable right now, but we got to go back to monogamy and stuff like that. What is your larger take? Because I'll tell you something.
I know where you're heading, and
you might not know where I'm heading.
Okay, so let me give you the benefit of doubt.
All right, let me surprise you.
Okay,
let me surprise you.
Surprise me.
A lot of young couples around me right now are having that conversation
About
whether monogamy is the way to go or whether we should open up our relationships.
But I think that's a very personal choice. And I think, like, for example, I feel that you need physical connection, you need emotional connection, you need intellectual stimulation. And if you find all of that in one person, that's great. But what if you don't? Then you're going to look for it elsewhere in various forms. So if I'm, let's say, intellectually connected with you and I feel good about it, but I may not be physically connected to you. So I'm going to look for that elsewhere, right?
Sure.
So is that good, bad, right, wrong?
Is natural is what one would say.
So therefore, if you're able to find all the stimulation that you need in your life, physically, emotionally, intellectually, in that one human being, then I think it's wonderful. But if you can't, the human mind and we are made that way, you're going to look for it elsewhere.
Have you ever found it in one person?
No.
No. All right. You never wanted kids?
Since I was 16.
You never wanted, or you wanted them? You have kids?
No.
Okay. And so
I was 16. I remember telling my mom, I want a child. Pagal ho gaya, 16 saal ka.
And then life never took you there, or did your thoughts
Never
change?
took me there. Yeah, no thoughts. Now, if I look at it, I said, is this the kind of world we want to bring a child into? So now I would say no. But at that time, I would have been very happy being a father at 20.
But I'm sure raising a kid in Amsterdam is sweet still.
Yes.
It's in Bombay that it's a
If I could
problem.
raise a kid in Amsterdam, I would be very happy.
Yeah.
But again, when you look at everything, when I hate to say it, but when we find we are getting so regressive, then that's not the world I want to bring a child. Better stay away.
अच्छा इतना आपको समाज से दिक्कत हो रही है कि बच्चा नहीं पैदा करना है यहाँ पे?
दिक्कत की बातें, but I am living here now. I'm seeing what is around me, what is surrounding me, where I am today. Then, no.
ये शायद बात आप कैमरा पे ना करना चाहो while playing Patel and Nehru and Modi whatever. Do you ever feel like moving or like spending most of your time outside the country? Have you ever had those thoughts?
Of living in another country? No.
Okay, but like,
I'm still happy to be in my country.
do you enjoy those countries, some of those more than this
I think
space?
you enjoy visiting them, but I think after visiting you know, in spite of whatever we complain, I still come running back. to our country. Why? तो कुछ तो है ना.
Can I ask you something slightly more personal?
Ask.
What is it? Maybe I shouldn't. And you can slap me. Like, अब मुझे लग रहा है हमारा
Why
communication हो
why
गई.
should I slap you? I've come here for an interview, so
Yeah,
I have
but
to.
if it's too personal, come on. मतलब I'm just.
I'll just say no comments if it's too personal.
No. Don't shut down after that. Don't shut
I
down.
won't shut down. If I don't want to reply something, I may tell you honestly on your face.
All right.
But you ask what you want to.
I think losing hair is a big insecurity in a lot of people's lives.
Not for me.
Did it do anything?
See, there are a lot of people who still wear patches and move around
Yeah,
and
because-
would not
yeah.
remove the patch.
A lot of a big industry thrives on playing on this insecurity.
By
you know?
मैं जब for characters I've worn patches all the last, let's say, few years. I would to remove the patch like that and sit.
होना भी यही चाहिए.
हाँ तो वो सलून वाला भी मेरे तो सर आप क्या कर रहे हो ऐसा तो इसमें छुपाने की क्या बात है.
Yeah.
That has never bothered me.
But it is a thing in, I mean,
No, if somebody has
और सिर्फ इंडस्ट्री की बात नहीं है, लार्जर समाज की बात है ये.
लार्जर समाज की बात तो एक तरफ है, लेकिन हमारी इंडस्ट्री में पीपल आर वेरी I don't know what touchy or very
Yeah.
insecure as you're saying about it. I don't care a damn.
No, while it
This
was
is
going
what
away,
it is.
While
And
it,
the biggest example of this is Rajnikant.
beautiful,
How wonderful.
beautiful.
You see, the man is what he says. He तो says. But वो तो of course he says, मैं तो हीरो हूँ, मैं तो कुछ भी पहन लूँगा and people will accept me. But how beautiful.
सही बात है. No, but while it was going away, looking into the mirror, was it not?
No, I
a
think
worrisome thing for you?
I
आपको कभी
accepted it a
tension
long
नहीं?
time ago because in my father's family, we had receding
Genetically
hairlines when
blessed
we
हो.
were in college only.
Genetically blessed हो आप.
It's a genetic thing. So in the middle, once I remember one patch in the middle, I got the transplant done only for this. I said नहीं आगे का आप वो उसने बोला था सर मैं आगे भी करता. सर नहीं आप आगे का छोड़ दो, ऐसा हो सकता है मुझे और roles मिलेंगे जहाँ पे receding hairline है, then I can play young with a patch and remove the patch and it will look much older. So don't do this. So he is looking at me like ये पागल आदमी है ये कि बोल रहा है कि आगे बाल नहीं चाहिए आप पीछे लगा दो. मैंने कहा हाँ पीछे लगा दो.
पर एक दिक्कत तो है ना हम लोगों में, मतलब we consider it a not good looking look. Aesthetically मुझे लगता है as a larger society मुझे अपने आसपास मर्दों में दिखता है, और मुझे अपने चैनल पे ही जो कंपनीज हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करती है वो कितनी एडवर्टीजमेंट का पैसा फेंकने के लिए तैयार हैं, जिनका मैं कभी लेता नहीं हूँ पैसा, बिकॉज आई मीन आई डोंट थिंक इट शुड बी
तुम्हें क्या ज़रूरत है?
Thank you, but I am insecure about it. You see my hairline.
Is it bothering you?
It does bother me.
तो शीशे में देख के यूँ देखते हो हाँ इधर बाल नहीं है.
It does bother me. It does bother me. But aren't our standards of beauty very skewed?
They always have been.
Sure. But does that not mean that they're still skewed?
I don't know.
You're quite happy
I
with
don't
how the society looks at you.
वो सोच रहे क्या बोल रहा है.
वो सोच रहे क्या पूछ रहा है.
अच्छा जो भी सोचो.
जब एडिट पे जब लोग अच्छे कमेंट्स करेंगे तो इन्हें लगेगा अच्छा हाँ, it was worth our time.
okay.
ऐसे ही होता है. I just want people to appreciate it. That's it.
Okay.
Even if they don't, how do I care? Woodland is paying for it.
Please note these shoes are by Woodland.
ये इस कैमरे में देख, इस कैमरे में देख.
These shoes are from Woodland.
And do you have any relationship with this brand specifically?
I've also got shoes from Woodland.
Thank you, Mr. Kapoor,
Thank you.
for giving me so much time, for being so honest, for being so open to questions, and for hopefully doing another one with me in some years. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Okay.
Hopefully.
Let's,
This has been lovely.
let's leave it as hopefully because you never know.
When I was thinking about it last night, it felt like a dream. These 3 years have felt like a dream to me. And I don't say it often to guests. And so I actually mean it. In that camera, if you may, आपका experience कैसा रहा?
Thank you.
और Unfiltered by Samdesh को लोग subscribe कर लें.
Thank you, and thank you to this man Samdesh for, I think, a certain comfort level, which is also important, right? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Could you please ask people to subscribe to Unfiltered by Samdesh?
Please subscribe to Unfiltered by
Samdesh.
Bye. Sandesh only. Nobody else is unfiltered like this man, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.